Hello everyone and thank you for stopping by. My name is Jubaer Hossain and I'm a motion graphic designer, content creator and a 2D animation expert. My main areas of expertise are motion graphics, content creation and video editing. I offer a wide range of services.
As the name suggests, I create videos from provided or stock footage. This includes different types of promotional videos, short films, drama and storytelling videos. If you can describe me the video from your imagination, I am confident that I can turn your imagination into a reality and deliver premium quality content in time.
I can also create advertisement videos for Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.
In recent days, these social media platforms have grown to be another virtual dimension of business campaigning. I can make commercial videos with captivating styles and creative ideas, which will help your business grow faster than ever before. In addition to that, I also offer elegant slideshows, cinematic trailers, logo animations, and tutorial videos.
I have more than 4 years of experience in the field of online content creation and video editing.
I am presently working for a Singapore-based company named Matrix Marketing Solutions. This company is giving full marketing solutions for many companies around the world. I am a content creator for this enterprise as well as sometimes I manage their social media pages. Previously, I've worked with one of our local company called Light Up Hope, and I was their content creator and their YouTube channel manager.
And this leads me to my another field of proficiency, which is digital marketing with the help of online advertising.
As I've worked with the companies whose aspiration was to rapidly grow their business through online advertising, so I learned how to create videos which will drive more traffic to your website and attract more audiences. This is perhaps the rarest combination of skill sets you will find in a freelancer.
My strong suit is I prioritize quality over quantity and deliver premium quality products before deadline.
I try to understand the client's motivation, listen to their demands and discuss ideas which will help me to create appropriate content for them. My working hours are flexible and I am always available on demand.
Thank you for watching this video. If your desires matches my proficiency, this would be an honor to work together. Have a nice day and thank you very much.